Welcome to the official SGC Lights Prism Plus demo video. Today we're going to go over some of the basic features and functionality of the SGC Prism Plus light tube. All SGC tubes are in a convenient standard T12 diameter, and the Prism Plus will actually come in 1 foot, 2 foot, 4 foot, and 8 foot models. This 2 foot model, as well as all SGC lights, has a quality aluminum housing with aluminum end caps for increased durability. In addition to the rigid design, the Prism Plus tubes are also IP65 water resistant. The front of the Prism Plus is completely covered with LEDs, and in this case on the 2 foot tube there are 9 pixels. A local controller is located on the back side of the tube to ensure that it stays out of your shot. 90 to 240 volt universal power input allows this tube to be used anywhere in the world. 2 USB-C ports on the end of the tube support power and data. Data can be used to upgrade your firmware or for DMX in and out. The power port can support up to 64 watt fast charging power delivery. On the other side of the tube, you will find an end cap that can be removed, and you will find a battery inside that can also be removed. This is one of the very unique features of SGC lights, and it is patent pending. What this means is when you rig up a tube, such as this Prism SE behind me, you can very quickly swap the battery out and not the entire tube. Now we're going to get these tubes powered on, and I'm going to go over some of the menu features as well as some of the specifications that go along with those. Moving around to the back side, there's a master power switch. Next to that is another button that allows you to kill the light only. This allows you to save power, but keep the tube online and connected while changing settings. Now we're going to flip through some of the menus. The first menu, the preset menu, allows you to choose from several preset color temperatures as well as fixed colors like red, green, and blue. Hitting the back button, you can cycle to the next menu. HSI allows you to pick from 360 degrees of color as well as 0 to 100% of saturation. Here you can see me cycling through the 360 degrees as the colors change. All SGC lights give you full creative control by utilizing the entire RGB spectrum. The Prism Plus actually takes this a step further. Moving over to the pixel menu, you can actually choose between up to 4 pixels on board, allowing you to use a different color throughout the entire tube. This tube will actually allow you to use up to 9 pixels using an external app, and they are all individually addressable and controllable. The SGC Prism Plus tube has the most pixels of any single row RGB tube on the market. Moving on to color temperature, this tube has the ability to set its color temperature on board from 6500 Kelvin all the way down to 2700 Kelvin. Using HSI or an external app, you can actually take this as far as 2000 Kelvin and 20,000 Kelvin. In addition to those color temperature and brightness controls, you can actually change the green and magenta tint right here on the local controller. This allows for 100% color consistency and accuracy on the set. All SGC tubes also have built-in programmable effects. These effects include circuit, flashes, fire, cop car, a TV screen, lightning, and several others. Moving on to connectivity features, the Prism Plus includes onboard Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and wireless 2.4 GHz with wired and wireless DMX capabilities. Wi-Fi is also built into Prism Plus tubes. This allows you to use an app such as Luminaire to control the pixels as well as all other aspects of the tube right from your phone or computer. If you prefer hardwire, you can set up wired DMX using the USB-C ports as mentioned previously, daisy chaining each tube that you own, synchronizing all of your tubes for easy operation and changes. All sets include a variety of rigging options, ensuring that you'll be able to put your tube right where you need it. Together, the C-stand and the Q-block adapters allow you to mount your tube in a variety of angles, such as the 45-degree tube behind me. Those Q-block plates can be assembled to create single, double, triple, or even quad bank arrays for your lighting needs. Floor stands are also included so that you can place the tubes right on the ground, and some sets also have a sleeve that you can set them on. See the description to see exactly what's included in your kit. Designed to deliver maximum creative control, this is the ultimate lighting solution with all the core qualities required by industry lighting professionals.